IMNM Stock Analysis and Price Predictions for Thursday. Is Immunome stock a buy? I'm going to cover all this in this brief and short 1 minute video. I'm the only guy in this space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years. I'm not even exaggerating, it's all on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years, so I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. Especially with IMNM, I do see a pumping now just lately. Sort of even saw the breaks. I would really be bullish on that kind of sort of side if there's a full candle close above like 990. And if not, bro, then I would just genuinely wait. You know, I'm not gonna just immediately jump in on this long side. IMNM, I've got like around, okay, no receipts in the Discord, which is, well, I guess fine. This is how it looks like for me now. If there is no double break, I'm not buying. If you want to stay tuned with IMNM, want to get my simultaneously my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.